Hello, YouTube family. This is Ravi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And Happy New Year, guys. Today is 1st January 2026, and I'm gonna bring a brand new series across this year. So, there are a lot of things lined up along with service now. So, this channel name is gonna be changed from today onwards. It will be Learn Tech with Ravi, where we are gonna learn service now, data structures, JavaScripts, in upcoming days, Python or as well, which you can utilize in any platform across this universe. The service now will be on the top. Then second will be we are gonna, when I say we, I'm saying about me. So I'm gonna use our data structure for our day-to-day activity when you plan for man companies like Google, Amazon, Flipkart, you have Meta. So they do talk about data structures. And data structures are fundamental. So this is gonna be coming very soon, but in today's session, or you can say today's video, I'm gonna start with a new series called ServiceNow Service Portal Development from Scratch. So stay tuned with this channel. If you are very new to this, please subscribe and give lot of give me lot of love, which you are showing up. Now we are 22K plus family. So let's get started. And remember, the channel name is gonna be Learn Tech with Ravi. So I will be updating this on LinkedIn or my WhatsApp channel. So you can connect with me on Topmate. I'll give a link in the description everywhere. So let's connect and let's start with the topic called Service Portal Development. Till then, Happy New Year, guys. I'll meet you in a video. Hello, YouTube family. This is Ravi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back with new year, new video on ServiceNow along with other tech. So now the channel name is gonna be changed to Learn Tech with Ravi, where we are gonna learn ServiceNow, JavaScript, Python, data structure, data visualization, data science in upcoming series of this 2026. So it's gonna be super interesting for all of us who is seeking career in ServiceNow and any other technology. This is gonna be super helpful. Apart from that, guys, if you are planning for big man companies like Meta, Facebook, Apple, Google, data structures are one of the key part. So we are gonna continue with the new part very soon in our series of videos in 2026. So our channel name is now changed to Learn Tech with Ravi. So I'm going to focus, priority will be ServiceNow first, then with the data structure. Again, data structure is something which is used in ServiceNow also, which we don't know internally, but it is used everywhere whenever it comes to a platform. So we are going to use this. Welcome back to my channel, guys. And thank you so much for giving this much of love and support in 2025, 2024. It's been 2 years. This channel has grown a lot with all God grace. We are reached 2000 close to 22K subscribers. Thanks for all the love and support. I'll try my best to explain you. And nevertheless, keep learning, keep growing. Hashtag ServiceNow Learn Tech with Ravi. So let's get started. And today's session, which we are going to study, is Service Portal Development. So this is very new series to ServiceNow, where I will be teaching you how you can build a portal from scratch. I'll talk about what are the components, what are the things involved in our portals, how to build a portal from zero. All this we are going to discuss this. So let's talk about what portal is, why is the need of it. So you might have understanding on ServiceNow platform now. So it's been 2 years. You already know that it's been 2 years. I have given multiple videos on ServiceNow. Many playlists are there. You can go back and check. At the end of the video, I will add a link to the playlist and all. So, but portal is nothing but your website. The ServiceNow also a website. For example, take an example of Amazon.in. So Amazon is a website where you can go and purchase the product. Exactly, ServiceNow will have their own portal called Service Portal, SP. SP stands for Service Portal. If you press enter, you will be land up to the portal there. Let's wait for this page to getting loaded. Now this is home page of ServiceNow. Similarly, we have Employee Center, we call as a ESC portal. So similar to this, how to build a portal from scratch. This is what we're gonna learn here. So what is Service Portal? So basically, it's a user-friendly experience to the customers. Like I am a customer of Amazon, I feel like website can be improved or website is super good. So we are gonna say that the portal of Amazon is super cool or super good. The Service Portal will allow you to build a self-service, or you can say self-service experience for everyone. Like your mobile interface is there, your tab interface is there, your laptop interface is there, your browser interface is, desktop interface is there, all comes under the browser components. So how the page look like and how the data revolve around it, we will learn in Service Portal. So how this happens in ServiceNow? So this is the website. And when I click on anything, for example, if I click on request something, you can notice that there are three dots. This three dot is making a request in the backend to display this page. You can see the page name is called category ID. And when I click on this, see another category is shown up to you, and see it shows you various different type of widgets. I'll talk about it what is widget, but see the components are available over here. So your UI will interact with the platform in the backend. So user can see the specific features. Okay. So we are building a content for our ServiceNow on a portal. So what are the things required? First we'll see that and we'll move back to the next part. Remember, let me have a note here. Guys, by the way, if you know me, I don't use PPTs. I'm so sorry. I'm not that friendly with PPTs and all. But whatever is required, I am going to tell you. So Service Portal development remember, is help you to give you user-friendly interface. Okay. Mobile interfaces, any interfaces as such. Mobile, web, you have tab, all have different size, different pixels available. So we have to build such a portal that it is available in all the places. When I say tab is tablet, not that tab button on the keyboard. Okay. So how this works? So this service portal, or we can say our portal, will interact with ServiceNow platform, means backend. So here we will be learning both, guys, client side, HTML, your server side, AngularJS component as well. So stay tuned. This is gonna be very interesting series and I will break this now. Service Portal is very easy to implement. Whatever is required, I'm gonna tell you. What AngularJS family is needed, what React.js family is needed, what HTML tags are required. We will learn all those basics plus development plus advanced part. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Stay on this video. And this video is going to be short because every week there will be close to 3 videos or 2 videos will be coming on your ServiceNow. One video will be on other part like data structures. So probably 2 to 3 videos will be coming, and there will be a JavaScript series also coming up from scratch, and we will use Visual Code Studio or ServiceNow background script again to start with our JavaScript family. So let's see how we proceed, but let's start here. So in order to start with ServiceNow Service Portal development, you required one role, which is admin, which is mandatory, which everyone knows, and second role required is Service Portal admin role. This role is required. Developers should require this role to go with the Service Portal. So who can use the Service Portal? Everyone can use the Service Portal. As you are an end user, you are an agent, you are like Amazon, correct? We are an end user. Even Amazon developer would have created a portal for them. So Amazon users can also use, agents can use, any user can use the portal. Okay. And during the portal development, few things to be taken care is we have to create a web page. So HTML will be required. You will require CSS for branding, for color changes. Then you need AngularJS family, and that too. Forgive me for spellings, guys. I'm very bad at spellings. In AngularJS family, you have to just remember NG family. What is this? I'll talk about it. It's called ng directive, or you call as a ng directive something. Okay. And over here we need server-side scripting plus client-side scripting. How you can send the data from server to client, client to server, this is gonna be, we will gonna see that. So remember, portal development or any website development, these are the fundamental part which you have to remember. And content, I will be telling you, or I will be uploading that content very soon. What are the content of the topic? Let's start with the first step. In Service Portal, guys, if I go back here, you can see logos are there, headers are there. This is a separate theme there. It means that there are basic components available on portal. And what are the basic components? You have logos, you have header. These are called headers. Let me close this up. Headers where you have a profile tab. Then these are called widgets. So in general, basic stuff for our portal is theme. What theme is required? What colors you require? What are the header components? We will discuss all this together in the upcoming classes. But as of now, just let's start with our structure first. How does Service Portal structure look like? So let me draw a picture for you so that you will remember forever. So what happened is, in ServiceNow, the structure will be like this. So we have, you can find this image on Google also, by the way. I'm writing it. This is Service Portal. Okay. And in Service Portal, we have certain component. For example, I will write here www.google.com. So right now, suppose I am using ServiceNow, Google. So this is the web page. What will happen? Google will give their own web page. So Google will give portal page. Inside the portal, we will have page. And inside the page, we have placeholders, widgets. You might have heard about the term widgets. Widgets are nothing but placeholder that hold your data components. It could be a report. When I talk about report, it's on the dashboard. That is also called widgets, add a widgets, elements. It hold data. When I say data, it means that here comes HTML component, here comes CSS component, client script component, server-side components. There can be multiple widgets altogether, W1, W2, W3, all use different components like HTML, CSS, other components. We call this as a widget instance. Okay, let me write down. So in a simple word, suppose you are writing HTTP : your instance name .servicenow.com. So this is the URL. So this URL will further, let me just give the arrow here, will bring you a portal page.sp. If you do, sorry, here you have to give an sp. I'm talking about Service Portal. Portal page, and inside the portal you will have page. Inside the page you will have widget. What is pages? Whatever the website you open, it open a page for you. Inside the page you will see the articles or placeholders where you see the data. Example, if I go to Google and show you here, if I go back, this is a page, correct? These are called widget. If I click on widget, it's gonna tell you what is widget, what widget it is. Okay, so this is already a page. On top of the page we have widget, and on top of the widgets we have HTML, CSS, client script, server side script. Okay, now this widget comes with a terminology called or let me just write it down here. Page, then widget instance. So there can be many instances of the widget. What is widget instance? Widget instance hold different type of widget, and widget itself hold different type of HTML, CSS components. So service portal, page, widget instance, then you will have different widgets, and then it take a component of HTML, CSS and all that. So remember that it's not that easy to build a portal, but it is easy to understand once you understand the logic. So in every portal across this universe, service portal, we will have a portal first, then page, then widget, then HTML. I can show you. Let's go to Amazon. Suppose I wanted to find the code of this page. I can right click, I can go to the inspect element, and you can see we have an element page. Here's the HTML element page. See, these are the HTML. If I wanted to see this image, I can click on this cursor. I can place this over here. See, I can see these are the images added over here. So this is HTML component. But what is this widget? See, we have a different classes. We'll talk about it in the upcoming class or upcoming videos. So we have to build something like in ServiceNow also. If I go back, go to the home page, or let's click on service catalog, or let's click on home page. Do one thing, press, press Control and right click over here. You can see it will give you you can say these boxes are called IntelliSense encoding, but here it gives you the menu where you can choose options. If I click on instance option, just let me show you. It says that a title is request something. Everything is coming up over here. You can see. If you again control click, it will give you the page editor. It will take you to the different SP configuration, service portal configuration. You can see you can edit the page over here. You can see portal, then column, then these are the widgets. See the diagram. This is what we have to build from zero. So there comes this series that will help you to build a portal from scratch. So keep in your mind, we will have a page structure which consists of portal, then page, then widget. Keep in your mind. Okay, perfect. So let's get started now. So if I go to the home page of ServiceNow, let me start. Now let me type service portal here on the application navigator. So just a second. Service portal. Scroll down, click on the portal, and you can see we already have 10 portals on our platform. I was talking about service portal which we open in the starting. If I open this, just see the title, the suffix. So that's the reason if I duplicate this, if I go back and remove this and type SP enter, it take me to this portal page. The reason being is this portal has a suffix SP. If I change this to some other suffix, it will go there. This is called header if you see on the top. If you notice here, we have a header menu. I can use this as of now for today's session when I create our small portal as of now today. In the next class, we will create our own main menu. Okay. Then you can see the theme. Theme can be Coral or whatever the theme available to ServiceNow. These are the list of themes available. La Jola. There are many themes. Actually, by the way, ServiceNow, we're using these themes only since ages. After this, Yokohama, Zurich, they have bring this theme called Coral. You can check. If you go back here to your settings, under your preferences, user experience, or yes, user experience, no? Theme, yeah. See, we have Coral and Polaris. So Polaris was there. Remember San Diego release, the property Polaris. Now we have a Coral theme also available, which is correlating with the color only, nothing else. So let's get started. So we have to build similar to this. Before I start, remember, in order to build service portal, keep in your mind three things. First, we need to create a widgets, or we can reuse any existing. Reuse. I'm going to create a new widget. I'm not going to reuse anything. Then create page. Same, or you can reuse. and then attach these two on a portal. It means that after that you can create a portal page. So let me get started with this. Let's go back to our service now. Type here service portal. Click on the portal homepage configuration and let me close everything to the right. And here, first I'm going with a create widget. So what is widget? A placeholder that hold your information. It could be your report, dashboard, your data of the table. So we can bring all this together from the going forward this series. So we're going to create a new widget. And my widget name I can put, this is coming of homepage. Good. Let's put homepage. And when you create your homepage widget or any widget name, you can create a test page also right away. See, you don't have to create page separately. If you want, you can create a page separately by going to the page option here, pages, service portal pages, open this page and click on new. You can create the page. But as of now, I'm going to create together. Let me click on submit and the view which you will see now. This is very beautiful. It will have section wise distribution. See HTML, CSS, client script, server side script, functions. This is all we have to learn in the upcoming classes, guys. So we will learn slowly here. Here I can write I'll talk about it details. Don't worry about it. What is HTML? I'll talk everything. So let's say I'm writing first word. Welcome to ServiceNow Service Portal Training. Okay. Once you write this, save it, and how to check this, whether how it look like. So I hope this is, everyone know this icon hamburger. Click on this and click on enable preview. Once you click on enable preview, this I button will be open. See. If I click on I now, save it. See, welcome to ServiceNow Portal Training. I can write my name by Ravi. Okay. So it will update here by Ravi Kaurav. Now this is your widget. On this widget now, okay, first before I go there, let me open widget also from the backend under service portal widget. And guys, remember, the homepage is coming now. So the view which you see, this backend is different, and this is the front end view. So actually I call as a front end here because here we can directly write it. But in the backend also tables, we can write the code, client side and server side together. Everything is fine. And inside this, you can see page is also there. So if I open the page look like this. See, page, and page has a container. What is container? Nothing but that holds the widget, which is nothing but holds the data. So you don't have to do it separately. It will all happen. So we created a home page, then page, and now we will go back to again service portal. Type service portal. Configuration. Open it. And then click on the option called new portal. So I'm going to create a brand new portal with the name called Service Portal Training. Service Portal Training and a suffix SPT. So if you type SPT, it will give you homepage. I can type the homepage which we created. Perfect. I can add a logo. This I will create in the upcoming class. I will use GPT to create my logo for our portal. I can use the theme which they were using, Coral. And I can use a menu, let's say SP header or something. Was that correct? Yeah. That's all. I'll come back to all the other part. Stay tuned, guys. As of now, let's save this and see how it looks like. Done. Remove everything from here and type Service Portal Training, SPT, enter. Once you do this, you will see, welcome to ServiceNow Service Portal Training by Ravi. And this is what we can start with, the very basics of portal building, guys. It is very easy. The going further classes, I'll explain you. So that's enough for today because we have talked a lot. Stay tuned for the next video where we can build our own headers. We can provide a link to our videos. We can provide external links, everything on the menu. We can design our own menu, how the cart is coming, everything we'll talk about it. So stay tuned, guys. Keep watching. Happy New Year, guys. Keep supporting. And thanks for all the love you guys have given me till today. We'll circle back in the next class, next video. Till then, Happy New Year. Happy New Year ahead. This 2026 will be very awesome going further, guys. Lot of things we're gonna learn. Thank you so much. We meet in the next class. Thank you, guys.